Hello everyone. So this is Professor Akshay Thakkar over here. I will be taking care of your subject ship chartering. Now let us first understand this subject. What is ship chartering? So ship chartering, let me write over here. Ship chartering. Basically ship chartering, it is a process of hiring a vessel from vessel owner by companies through charter. So basically, there are three parties involved. Now, let us say A Limited wants to send its goods to foreign country. So what they will do? They will approach to charter. Let us say A Limited wants to send its goods. So they will approach to charterer. Okay, and charterer will take a vessel on rent from vessel owner. So basically, A Limited is a company who wants to send their goods. This is like a broker, charterer, and vessel owner is the owner of the vessel. Now, let us understand difference between ship and cargo. If we are if we are sending or transferring one single product, then we are shipping the product. Okay, single product. Let us say if we are sending multiple products at a time, then we are sending it through a cargo. So cargo is for multiple product. In simple terms, this is a narrower concept, yes or no? And this is a broader concept. In more simple terms, we can say cargo includes ship, but ship does not include cargo. Now we are starting with unit number 1. What is unit number 1? Types of ships and cargos. So we understood difference between ships and cargos. Now let us understand what are the objectives of this chapter, what we are going to learn from this chapter. So we will understand the diversity of maritime industry and its various segments, identify and describe key categories within dry cargo market, including types of vessel used and cargo handling process. Analyze current trends and factors affecting dry bulk cargo market. Examine the liner market, its services, and the role of containerization in linership. There are few more objectives. That is, explore the RORO market, including the different types of RORO vessels and their cargo and handling operations. Gain insights into tanker market by categorizing tanker vessel and understanding crude oil and product tanker operations. Investigate general cargo market, including characteristics of general cargo ships and specialized cargo handling. Let us go through introduction of a chapter. What is it? The shipping industry is essential for global transportation of goods. Yes or no? And commodities. Various types of ships are designed to carry us various types of cargo. This distinction is primarily now which goods to send. It is primarily categorized into three parts. So dry cargo. What is first is dry cargo. Then liquid cargo. So by state they are classified. Dry cargo like food grains etc., including sugar, it is a dry item. Okay, then liquid items, and last is containerized items. Okay, and the specific requirement for handling and storage. Ships are primary mode of transportation. Yes or no? For global tech, carrying over 90% of world's goods by volume. Yes or no? The shipment is majorly done by waterways. There are many different types of ships, each designed to carry specific types of cargo. Now let us understand first dry cargo. See, in state which we are classifying as per state, there are three states: dry cargo state, liquid state, and containerized state. So dry cargo market. Dry cargo market means what? This primary deals with transportation of non-liquid, solid goods or materials, often refers to as dry bulk cargo. This sector encompasses variety of vessel types, cargo handling procedures, and market trends. Let's delve into each of these aspects. Now, types of cargoes. There are several types of cargoes used for transportation of various bulk cargoes. These vessels are designed to suit specific requirement of different types of cargo. Some common types of dry cargo vessels includes. Now, what are dry types of cargoes? Let us understand. So, first is bulk carriers. Second is general cargo ships. Third is container ships. Fourth is Ro-Ro ships. Ro-Ro stands for roll on, roll off. Okay. Then timber carriers. Then heavy lift vehicles, self unloaders, ore carriers, grain craners, grain carriers. I'm sorry, cement carriers, wood ship carriers, and barge carriers. Now let us go through bulk carriers. Bulk means heavy. So bulk carriers are classified into four types. First is capsize, second is Panamax, third is handymax, and fourth is handy size. Capsize is the largest, ekdam largest bulk carrier for iron ore and coal. Okay. Then Panamax fits through Panama Canal, carries grains, okay, coal, ore. Handymax, larger handy size for longer hauls between continents, and smaller bulk carriers for ports with size restrictions. See, there is further classification. See, this class, okay, then capsize, Panamax, Handymax. It is also called as Supramax. Okay, is it visible? Okay, handy size. Okay, now this size is in DWT. DWT stands for dead weight size. Okay, so dead weight size is how much? 1 lakh to 2 lakh of capsize. Then meters, how much long it is? So 17 meters. Length, it will be unlimited. There 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers long it can length. Okay. Gear, it has no gear. And commodity what we transport? Iron ore and coal. Next is Panamax. Its capacity is size is basically 60 to 1 lakh, 60,000 to 1 lakh DWT. Then meters, how much meters? 12 to 15 meter. How long it is? Length is 275 meter. It does not have gauge. And this all three most forms of dry bulk including sugar like food grains, dal, chawal, cereals, etc. Okay, all dry items. Machines also are dry items. Yes or no? So which is not in liquid states will be covered under over here. Okay. So most forms of dry bulk is for all this. Okay. Here specifically iron ore and coal. Then Handymax size is 40,000 to 60,000 DWT. Of course, draft meter is how much? 12 to 10 meter, and length is 150 to 200 meter. Yes. So now it is smaller. These two are comparatively smaller. So it has gears. Okay. Then uh handy size is how much? 10,000 to 40,000. DWT is 10 meter, and length is 130 to 175 meter. This you understood? Yes or no? So I am carrying on further. So this was our first type, bulk carriers. Second type is general cargo ships. General, like you are transferring machinery, equipments, package goods, etc. So versatile for non-bulk cargo like machinery, equipment, package goods, often equipped with onboard cranes for loading and unloading. Now see, this where ships will come onto port. Now this ship is coming onto port, so there might be in port also there are some equipments to uh, remove the goods. Yes or no? So this vehicles itself has the cranes inside itself. So once the ship reach over the destination, the cranes are inside the ship only. They will only do the unloading and loading part. So this technology is there. Okay. Then container ships primarily categorized containerized cargo but can carry dry bulk containers. Example green. Okay. Then ro-ro, roll on and roll off. This is designed for vehicles but also transport heavy machinery and project cargo. Basically vehicles, all your car, bikes, trucks, tankers, etc. Vehicles transportation. So roll on and roll off ships are used. See, this is ship, so specifically for vehicles. Understood? That's why I told you difference between ship and cargo. Okay. Then timber, specifically for timber and wood products with adjustable cargo system. Heavy lift vessels transport oversized and heavy cargo with specialized lifting equipment. Okay. Then self unloader, as I told you earlier, they have cranes into ship only. So self unloaders are heavy conveyor system to discharge cargo independently, ideal for ports lacking infrastructure. So in ports, port is if undeveloped, then also that ship like it contains crane inside itself, so it will self unload. Okay. Then ore carriers designed for efficient transport of iron ore and other ores with large hatches and conveyors. Okay. Hatches are what is hatches? Hatches like this is ship. So in between, if you are keeping multiple products, okay, don't go on my drawing. Okay. So here they will put a hatch. Hatch is like a wall. Okay. So here all food grains item. Here all shoes items. Okay. So multiple products. Here different products. Let us say car also they are transferring. Okay. So multiple products here machinery etc. So this wall is called hatches. Okay. Then grain carriers. So see, it should be airtight. Yes or no? So airtight holds and equipments to maintain grain quality during transport. Yes or no? Because shipment is done, it reach within 1 month, 2 months sometimes. Okay. So cement carriers specialized for transporting cement, powder, bulk cargos with peace island air. Pneumatic discharge system. What is this pneumatic discharge system? On road, we see one truck, that gold truck, this oval shape, one truck is transported, cement, that is pneumatic discharge system. Then wood ships, transport of wood ships for pulp and paper with specific cargo handling system. Okay, and last is barge carriers, transport barge carrying various cargoes, including oversized and project. What is barge carriers? That big container you might have is in Hindi we call मालगाड़ी का जो डब्बा है ना मालगाड़ी that containers are basically barge carriers. So these were different types of dry cargos. What was it? First was bulk carriers. Second was general cargo, container ships, roll on, roll off, specifically for vehicles. Okay. Then timber carriers, heavy lift vessels, self unloaders, then ore carriers and grain carriers, then cement carriers, wood ship carriers, and barge carriers. So these were different types of dry cargo system. So we will take a pause over here and continue in next session. Hope you liked the session. Thank you very much.